Open your Photoshop, click New File, and then click Custom. Make sure to put in the exact dimensions for the YouTube banner: 2560 pixels for the width and 1440 pixels for the height. You can leave everything as it is and then click Create. Now, you have your YouTube channel banner canvas. Before you proceed, you must have a YouTube banner template. This template will serve as your guide. You can download the template from Google Images, search the template, and save it and place it on your canvas. Once the template is placed, click the eye icon to hide it, because you will just use it as your guide later. Now, the first thing you want to have is a background. Go to the new fill icon below and click Solid. Then, choose the color that you would like. Now, you can start customizing by inputting the name of your channel. Click the text tool and type in your channel name. You can choose the font that you like, make it bold or italicized. Choose a color that would contrast your background. You can constantly check with your template guide to see if your elements are within positions. You can now start customizing and putting your elements to your banner. You can put your YouTube channel logo and then create a simple statement that would instantly tell what your channel is about. Again, select the colors that you would like or the color palette of your channel. You can also put your social media accounts. You can search these free icons on Google Images. Input your account name and customize the color. Also, you can put other elements like a subscribe button on the right side. You can also put an arrow under it. Once you're done tweaking with your banner elements, save your file and export it as PNG. Now, you can use it as your YouTube channel banner.